What's up? What going on with you, man?
What's the move for the day, man? What you working on?
For the day is a Max, man. You know it's always a Max.
What type of Maxim?
Man, this is a Nissan Max right here, man. This is 3000 model, man.
3000 model.
Yeah,
okay.
man. This is a 3000 engine in this job. This about a 95 or 98, 99. You know, these motherfuckers never break right here, my boy.
Tell me about it, man.
Man, come on, man. We gonna take a tour of this motherfucker, man. Look, man, you can get one of these Maxims right here, man. With 300,000 miles on that motherfucker, bro. 300,000 miles. This motherfucker outlast it and a new car you put beside it, man.
What's so good about these Nissans?
Hey, this one right here. This one right here was made out there. This was made overseas, man, in Japan or something right here. This one no US made car. All the other ones they made up there towards Nashville. This one right here, this one really made overseas, man.
So is the parts good to come out here to junkyard to get?
Oh yeah, parts good, man. You can go buy one of these for $500, man.
What year is this?
Man, this is 99 right here. This is 99. This is where you see what it is. This is 99 right here. You can go buy this motherfucker off Facebook, man. You can go buy one of these off Facebook for $400 or $500, man. Wrecked or need a motor or something.
What's the value of these Nissans right now?
Man, it got good value on these, man. You can buy them, like I said, for $500, and you can come fix them up. Look at these tires, man. We got the rims, man. You come buy all the rims out for them. Put a good one together. Put a little tint on it, man. Buy it for $500 off Craigslist or Facebook. Come out here and get you an engine for $300, man. And then reflip it for about $2,500, man. And that's just how we doing it, man.
Alright, so